Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time meeting me, my name is Rogan. Nice to have you here. If this is your second, third, fifth, 100th, 1000th time here on my channel, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. I am doing a quick, I did a review I think on this Young, Wild and Cruelty Free palette before by Tarte. I've shown you guys this palette before. They're about 15 shades. And I love a lot of them. I love the vibrant colors because I love colors. These ones at the top are a little bit more muted, I suppose, like everyday colors. But I'm gonna go in today with these two colors. It's called and I love the names, Hawkward and Camelflauge. These two right here. I'm gonna start putting this on, and I actually like this one a lot. Camelflauge, and I'm going to put that in my crease area. I'm only going to be using two colors, that Camelflauge and that Hawkward. So I'm going to just go in with my blending brush. This is very pigmented, so let's go. You set the fire and tone to your promised land. Spray my brush with like a setting spray in order to get the color, but this is fine. I'm not spraying it this time. So this is Hawkward. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. So I'm going to come back and put my eyeliner, my mascara, my falsies when I'm done putting on my face. I got you buried deep in the back of my head, 'cause you got all the answers on the tip of my tongue. You got a whole religion in the palm of my hand. If you want. And this is the Revlon Colorstay 24 hours in caramel for combination oily skin. That's me. These are my two concealers. I have of course my MAC concealer 24 hour Studio Fix and LA Girl Pro Conceal. This isn't the one that I wanted, so let me just go on with my MAC concealer underneath my eye. I'm not putting any concealer. No, do I want to brighten up that area? Just a little bit. I don't use it up here on my forehead to conceal anything. I just use it to brighten. I do have some spots down here that I do want to conceal, so. can see it a little bit. Good little contour, you know? I've said before that I absolutely hate this because I can't pour it in to the lid. It's just such a mess. What a silly design. I guess they're trying to keep this piece in. It's just annoying to me. It's just annoying as hell. You've got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. And I like to have this like look really nice and bright underneath my eye. I don't contour my nose or anything like that because I just don't like that for me. I don't need it. I don't have an issue, like, I did that once or twice. I don't really like it because I love my nose. And for me it's even deeper than that. It's like, why should, I mean I know white women do it too, but it's like, why should I as a black woman have to slim in, is that the word? Slim down my nose for what? I have a round nose and like be a little straighter to the side. I have a full nostrils. I have a, you know, that's my nose. I'm not gonna try to make it look slim. Get out of here. 'Cause you got all the answers on the tip of my tongue. You got a whole religion in the palm of my hand. If you want. I got this Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in Papaya Pop. I got this from Marshall's. I've never in my life used Too Faced products, but I fell in love with this instantly for the packaging. I'm all about packaging, guys. And the smell, it's a nice little soft fragrant smell. So it's like peachy. It's like a peachy, and then it has like a highlighter right here. So right there. So I'm just gonna go in and put that on. Oh, by the way, I had horrible acne in my eye zone, my forehead, my nose, and my chin area. It was so bad, but I found a product that helped them go away in as little as 24 hours, and I'm going to do a routine in the next video so you guys can see what I do and what I did to get my skin under control. So look out for that. So I'm just going to go in with this peachy color. I usually use MAC, what do you call these things? Blushes, because I love MAC. But while this isn't like big pop of color, I love that it's soft. You know? I think if I were fairer skinned, you'd see it more. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right? If I were fairer skinned, you'd definitely see this papaya pop. So I like it anyway. And it cost me 10 bucks. And I'm putting on the shimmer. I usually put this MILANI, and I might still go in just to give it a bigger pop. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can. That's a big difference. Oh yeah. Come with it. Come with it, MILANI. Come with it, MILANI. So let me see if you can see this Too Faced. It's just so clumpy. So I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to go back in with my MAC. This is the one I tend to gravitate towards because, oh, now this looks more in focus. This is the one I tend to gravitate towards because the bristles are much smaller. Actually, before I do that, let me go and put in my liners. For my waterline, my bottom waterline, I'm using this Wet n Wild black coal crayon. It's called Baby's Got Black. Baby's Got Black.
sorry, but you never can tell.
All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
I got you buried deep,
In the back of my head,
'cause you got all the answers.
on the tip of my tongue,
You got a whole religion.
in the palm of my hand.
If you want it bad,
Better listen now. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
I did it on camera. I did it on camera. I did it on camera. Hallelujah. All right, let me just try this. I'm gonna do Lady Danger. You guys have seen Lady Danger 1,000 times from MAC. And I'm gonna use the MAC Cherry as a liner. Okay, so let's go.
We saw it little by little. What about common sense? And now we're stuck in the middle, so we climb the fence. It's like the whole turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
you set the fire and tone to your promised land.
Alright guys, and that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, quick in my mind anyway. Like I said, this was from Tarte's Young, Wild and Cruelty Free palette, and I used Camelflauge, that's what you see inside my crease, and Hawkward's on my lids. And then I went in with the MILANI palette, and I used, was it something Bubbly? Oh, it was Bubbly, and a little bit of Entitled in my eyebrow area. And of course the lips are courtesy of MAC Lady Danger Cherry Lip Liner. So I hope you guys like this, and I hope you will try to recreate it when you go home. If you're at home right now, it's so simple, really easy to do. Eyelashes and liner make the look, okay? And I just tried this, I just bought this last night. This is the Intense Ink eyeliner from e.l.f. I had no idea it would be so beautiful. It was just so easy to apply, and that's why I picked it up, and it's nice and fat in the hand, so I'm happy. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am on Instagram. I'd like for you guys to follow me there. I'm on Facebook. And of course, you can also follow along with me on my journey on my blog, www.thisbahamiangyal.com. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you. No song today. Next time. Bye.